Why letting go of narcissists is one of the toughest things but worth fighting for. Hi everyone. If you're with a narcissist, you'll realise that there are often one or more things that hurt so much during narcissistic abuse that it is really hard for you to let go. The pain is still raw for many people who have been hurt by narcissists, and sometimes it can be hard to overcome the pain of what someone else did to you, especially when it happened within the inhumane, cruel and senseless behaviour of a narcissist. Letting go of a narcissist can be so hard, yet it is totally worth it. Most of the people who have been through this before will tell you the many aspects of narcissistic abuse that hurt most. The main points that were repeated are lies and betrayals, blaming and deflecting, discovering the relationship was never real, the cruelty of devaluing and discarding, no empathy, never being good enough for the narcissist, and infidelity. Sometimes it is difficult to pin it down to one thing, but it is a sudden realisation that you have been totally and utterly conned on every level, and you have suddenly found yourself in the middle of a storm. Realising that he did not love you was not as mind-blowing as realising he couldn't care less and actually enjoyed the destruction. Understandably, it is tough to overcome the complete shock and utter betrayals of narcissistic abuse. Narcissistic abuse is not normal, and it is certainly not something that anyone's brain can rationally digest and reconcile. Narcissistic abuse is like a disease to your soul. As some say, it rapes you at every level. Therefore, it is through the depths of your soul that you need to recover. You need to forgive yourself and truly heal your soul. It is these spiritual applications that will save your life, grant you incredible strength, joy and purpose. Deep spiritual psychology will do so much more for you. So how can we get to the place of a higher purpose? We can do this by embracing radical responsibility. We can decide to look within ourselves with tenderness, care and support in order to connect the dots as to why this happened to us. When we do this without shaming and blaming ourselves, incredible changes start to take place, and we start moving out of victimhood and towards our healing and self-liberation. Nothing can be done for our past lives. They're there regardless of our destination, so instead of blaming ourselves because of it, why not just embrace it? When you take responsibility, it doesn't mean that you operate like a narcissist, that you have a lack of conscience, empathy, humanity or morals. Rather, it means there is a part of yourself who treats yourself in great ways that you deserve. Soul work is a deep inner journey to discover who you are in a relationship and how that is manifesting every relationship you experience in your life. We have an opportunity with everything that happens in our life to either use it as a transformational event to grow, heal and expand, or to hold on to the shame and blame which blocks any possibility of growth and healing. Of course, the lies, gaslighting, cheating, false promises, financial abuse, abuse by proxy hurt like hell. Yes, it hurts. But once we determine and let go, the peace you experience is so worth it. Those experiences will make you a stronger person. So, what's your opinion about this? I hope you can gain more insight from this video. Don't hesitate to write your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell to follow our subsequent video updates. Thanks for watching.